to show you a earring. So this earring, we first took the inspiration of a client's, already she has a necklace, she has a detachable necklace which can be a long harem or a small necklace. So she wanted to pair with a earring and she wanted to use moissanite. So this is the full look of the earring. Now what we have done is you can detach it into various ways. So the first thing that can be done is, this is the small part of the earring. You can either put the ruby. So if you have a ruby stone, you can wear a ruby, and then you can wear it as a small earring, or you can also use a emerald stone. So this is a small earring, you can wear it every day. So that is one jack that is different. And you see a tiny pearl. So that tiny pearl can be replaced with a bigger pearl. So we have an adjustable hook here, and then you can remove this pearl and you can add a bigger pearl as well. So that is one look. So that is one look that it will show you like this. And the second thing that you can do is, instead of a pearl, you can also use this jhumka, what you see here, the third layer. You can add this jhumka here, which means the jhumka will basically come here. So that is an interesting outcome. And then you have a chand bali as well. So the chand bali is basically added from the back. I will show you how it looks. So now that it is done, so you have like the second piece. So you can wear it solo like this as it is, or you can just put this pearl here. You can put the pearl and wear. So basically you can wear it like this as well. Let's say you don't want it, you want to wear the entire thing, then what you do is basically put the jhumka, and that's it. So that's it. So this is how it will look. So I will just wear it for you to understand on my ear. So this is how the look, whole thing. So you can wear this earring in 3 formats. So you can either wear it with this first part, and then second part, and then third part, and then you can make different combination of this earring. So that's why this earring is very different and has many detachable areas. If you are very careful with how you remove them and you put it back and then secure the locks, then this can serve as a really good earring for everyday purpose, or whenever you're going for a wedding or party, you can just wear it. Let me know in the comment section what do you think.